Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video I will discuss about IHM Gwalior. So if you want to get admission in IHM Gwalior, then you need to give NCHM CET JEE examination. Guys, Gwalior is a city in the central India and it is situated in Madhya Pradesh state. And in this video I will discuss about the IHM Gwalior. After that I will discuss about the rank and cutoff required for IHM Gwalior, courses in IHM Gwalior, campus tour, kitchen lab, how many recruiting companies are there in IHM Gwalior and how many salary package students get from IHM Gwalior. All these things I will discuss in detail. So let us start. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for NCHM CT, ECHAT and IHM Aurangabad. So in these batches you will get live class, classroom coaching, books, shortcut trick, doubt class, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581454 or you can also visit to our website manavaready.com/hotel management entrance examination. And guys, in the description I have given the Google form link, so fill your detail in that form and our counselor will get back to you with all the details of the batches for NCHM CET JEE and other hotel management entrance examination. Now guys, let us discuss about the IHM Gwalior. So very first, IHM Gwalior is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. So it is a autonomous institute. Okay, now after this, institute was established first as a food craft institute in 1887 and was upgraded to IHM in 1992. So this is the upgradation of IHM Gwalior. Now the alumni of institute was placed in a good position across the India and abroad. In this video I will discuss recruiting companies, so you will come to know how students has been placed. Okay, now more than 1000 students have graduated with diploma or degree in hotel management and hospitality and hotel administration from IHM Gwalior. After this, IHM Gwalior is affiliated to NCHM CET, that is National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology, and it is also affiliated to IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and it offers quality education. Now let us discuss rank and cutoff for IHM Gwalior. So if you are from open category, so opening rank was 873 and closing rank for open category it is 5103. And if you are from EWS category, then opening rank was 8346 and closing rank was 13282. And if you are from OBC category, then opening rank was 5874 and closing rank was 11983. And if you are from SC category, then opening rank was 8195 and closing rank was 15060. Okay, and ST category के अंदर आप हैं तो 12263 and क्लोजिंग रैंक वॉज 14,835. अगर आप ये सारे रैंकिंग में आप लाइक कर रहे हो, सो यू कैन गेट एडमिशन इन IHM ग्वालियर. गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, ये जो रैंकिंग है वो डिसाइड होता है पेपर कितना डिफिकल्ट था और पेपर में कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने अप्लाई किया था. सो ऑल दिस पैरामीटर विल डिसाइड. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट स्कोर, देन 550 प्लस मार्क्स आपको स्कोर करना है फॉर IHM ग्वालियर. ओके, नाउ कोर्सेस इन IHM ग्वालियर. So if I talk about courses, then first is BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration and they have total 253 seats. And if I talk about diploma course, so in diploma they have 100 seats and diploma in food production they offer, and it is a 1.5 year course. Next course they offer, that is Hunar Se Rozgar. It is a 6 to 8 weeks Skill India course. Okay, so Skill India course is there in all the IHMs. For applying in diploma course, you need to be 12th pass. Now guys, let us discuss about the campus of IHM Gwalior. So IHM Gwalior, they have very huge campus. They also have very good computer lab and they have separate hostel for boys as well as girls. Library is also there. Big auditorium is also there in their campus. Now kitchen lab. Yes, hotel management का institute है, so kitchen lab is one of the very important place for the hotel management students. So kitchen lab, they have food production lab and bakery lab where they can teach how to make foods and how to make baking products. Okay, so these are the kitchen lab of IHM Gwalior. Now if I talk about facilities at IHM Gwalior, these things are also very important. So very first is they have basic training kitchen. So this basic training kitchen, it is for beginners, and in this particular course you will be provided basic understanding of kitchen. So if you are in first year of your graduation, so यहाँ पे आपको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा बेसिक ट्रेनिंग किचन में. आफ्टर दिस क्वांटिटी ट्रेनिंग किचन. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट ट्रेनिंग किचन इन द इंस्टीट्यूट. इट इज़ मेंट फॉर सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो अगर आप सेकेंड ईयर में गए देन क्वांटिटी ट्रेनिंग किचन आपको देखने को मिलेगा. आफ्टर दैट दे हैव एडवांस ट्रेनिंग किचन. इट इज़ मेंट फॉर थर्ड ईयर ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट. सो हर साल अगर आप देखेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको बेसिक ट्रेनिंग किचन दिया, सेकेंड ईयर में आपको क्वांटिटी ट्रेनिंग किचन दिया, थर्ड ईयर में एडवांस ट्रेनिंग किचन. सो ऑल दिस फैसिलिटी IHM Gwalior हैज़. आफ्टर दिस diploma kitchen. If you are pursuing diploma from IHM Gwalior, then there is a separate kitchen for diploma students. Okay, now next is bakery. In the bakery they have two stages. Okay, bakery 1 stage and bakery 2 stage. first stage में आपको ट्रेनिंग बेकरी की फर्स्ट ईयर में दी जाएगी, एंड स्टेज 2 में एडवांस बेकरी ट्रेनिंग जो थर्ड ईयर में आपको दी जाएगी विद द एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी की बेकिंग प्रोडक्ट्स आपको कैसे बनाना है. आफ्टर दिस बेसिक ट्रेनिंग रेस्टोरेंट. फर्स्ट ईयर से ही आपका ट्रेनिंग शुरू हो जाएगा. सो बेसिक ट्रेनिंग में आपको बेसिकली बताया जाएगा कि बेसिक ऑफ द सर्विस, टेक्निक, एटिकेट्स ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू विल बी टॉट. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस एडवांस ट्रेनिंग रेस्टोरेंट. So in the second year and third year of your graduation, you will be taught how to handle complaints, how to serve food. So these are the facility IHM Gwalior provide जो होटल मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट्स को लर्न करना होता है. Okay, now after this let us discuss about the very important thing, recruiting companies. So recruiting companies like Lemon Tree Hotel, Taj, Jet Airways, McDonald's, Bicano, Radisson, The Lilith, Oberoi, Air India, IG Continents Hotel Group, JW Marriott, Domino's Pizza, The Fun, TajSATS, Hyatt, ITC Limited, Andaz, Club Mahindra, and many more recruiting companies are there who recruit the IHM Gwalior students. Okay, now if I talk about salary package, then salary package highest is 3.5 lakh per annum, average is 2.4 lakh per annum, and lowest is 1.9 lakh per annum. Guys, if you want to know more detail about the salary package of IHM Gwalior, then you can visit the official website. and salary package इसका थोड़ा वेग है. ओके, एंड यहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स है ये अपॉइंट होते हैं मैनेजर लेवल पे, सुपरवाइज़र लेवल पे इन दी रेस्टोरेंट एज वेल एज होटल्स में. ओके, सो एंड सैलरी पैकेज विल डिपेंड अपॉन हाउ यू हैव परफॉर्म इन योर एकेडमिक्स, हाउ मच स्कोर यू हैव गॉट. ओके, एंड इंटर्नशिप आपने कहाँ से किया, ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू हाउ यू हैव परफॉर्म. ऑल दीज पैरामीटर विल डिसाइड योर सैलरी पैकेज. So that's all in this video. If you want to get admission in IHM, then you need to give NCHM CET JEE examination, and for that you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581454, or if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manovaredu.com/hotel management entrance examination. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination. You can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.